Welcome to our Poetry Comprehension resource. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the profound and lyrical world of William Butler Yeats' elegy poem, An Irish Airman Foresees His Death. Through a step-by-step approach, we will help you unlock the layers of meaning and beauty embedded in this iconic piece of literature. With its eloquent language and poignant imagery, An Irish Airman Foresees His Death captivates readers with its exploration of war, identity, and the human spirit. Our expert poetry analyst will carefully guide you through the poem, providing detailed explanations and insights into Yeats' poetic techniques, themes, and historical context. Through close reading exercises and engaging discussions, you will learn how to effectively analyze and interpret the poem, uncovering its hidden meanings and nuances. Our resource will equip you with essential skills and strategies for understanding complex poetry, such as identifying poetic devices, examining tone and mood, and interpreting symbolism and metaphor. In addition, we will explore Yeats' personal connection to the poem, as well as the cultural and historical backdrop that influenced his writing. You will gain a deeper appreciation for Yeats' craft and his unique ability to convey profound emotions and ideas through his poetic language. Whether you're a student studying poetry for an exam, a poetry enthusiast seeking to deepen your understanding of Yeats' work, or simply someone interested in exploring the beauty of elegy poetry, this resource will be your invaluable guide. Join us on this literary journey and unravel the elegance of Yeats' An Irish Airman Foresees His Death like never before. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest poetry comprehension videos. Join us now and let's explore the depth.